Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change a language on Google Maps. So first, you just have to launch your Google Maps application. But before that, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Maps application. Go to Google Store or App Store and then search for Google Maps. And then if you see an update button right here, what you're going to do is to click that update button. So once updated, you can now go back to your Google Maps and changing this language is pretty easy. You just have to click your profile at top right corner. And as you can see, these are the options and features right here. But what you're going to do is go to settings and you see this app language. As you can see, currently I'm using English language. So I can see all of the features and options right here with English language. So if I'm going to change this one, I just have to click this app language and then tap the specific language that I want to use. Scroll down here, look for the language that you want, and then all you have to do is to tap that. So basically, once you change your language, if you go back here, all of the option and other features right here will be, translated into that language that you choose. As easy as that. So basically, that's how you change a language on Google Maps. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your Maps application to avoid any errors. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.